Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about the application of Netflix. Here we click on first tab and we click OK. After that we'll go to storage. You click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.